Did you know that a common item in your kitchen could be the secret to better digestion, glowing skin, and even weight loss? That's right, we're talking about apple cider vinegar. Although it's been used for thousands of years, many people don't realize the full range of its health benefits. Today, we'll explore the health perks of apple cider vinegar, how to choose the best one, ways to incorporate it into your meals, and even a delicious salad recipe you'll love. Stick around until the end because I'll also share some surprising uses for apple cider vinegar you might not know about. Did you know that over 2,000 years ago, Hippocrates, often referred to as the father of medicine, recommended apple cider vinegar to help with colds and coughs? Let's begin with the health benefits that make apple cider vinegar a great addition to your daily routine. 1. Detoxification. One of its major benefits is its natural detoxifying properties. The acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar supports the liver and kidneys in eliminating toxins from the body, helping you feel revitalized. 2. Regulates blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar can help control blood sugar by reducing post-meal spikes and improving insulin sensitivity. This makes it especially beneficial for those managing blood sugar issues. Fascinating fact, research shows that taking apple cider vinegar before meals can reduce blood sugar levels after eating by up to 34%. Before we move on to the next benefit, here's a quick tip: apple cider vinegar isn't just for health. Stick around to learn some surprising ways you can use it every day. 3. Supports digestion. If you often feel bloated or experience indigestion, apple cider vinegar can help. It boosts digestion by increasing stomach acid, which helps break down food more effectively and enhances nutrient absorption. 4. Promotes clear skin. Did you know apple cider vinegar can also benefit your skin? It helps balance skin pH, reduces acne, and can be used topically for a healthy, radiant complexion. 5. Aids weight loss. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can promote weight loss by helping you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. 6. Heart health. There's also evidence that apple cider vinegar can support cardiovascular health by lowering triglycerides and cholesterol. 7. Reduces inflammation. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, apple cider vinegar may help ease joint pain and support overall well-being. 8. Boosts immunity. A healthy gut contributes to a stronger immune system, and the probiotics in raw apple cider vinegar can support gut health, thereby boosting immunity. Not all apple cider vinegar is created equal. Here's how to pick the best one. 1. Go organic and raw. Opt for raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the cloudy substance at the bottom. It contains probiotics and enzymes. 2. Check the acidity. Look for a vinegar with an acidity level of 4 to 5%, which strikes a balance between being effective and gentle on your body. 3. Avoid additives. Stick to products made from all natural ingredients, free from preservatives or artificial flavors. Now that you know what to look for, here are some easy ways to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet. Diluted drink. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water and drink it before meals. This can help with digestion and regulate blood sugar. Salad dressing. Here's a quick and tasty recipe. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/4 cup olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Whisk together and drizzle over your favorite greens, apples, walnuts, and cheese for a refreshing, nutrient-packed salad. How much should you consume? If you're new to apple cider vinegar, start with just 1 teaspoon a day. If your body responds well, you can gradually increase to 1 tablespoon. However, moderation is key. Don't exceed 2 tablespoons per day to avoid potential digestive issues. Question for the audience: how do you use apple cider vinegar? Have you added it to your daily routine? Let me know your favorite ways in the comments below. Bonus uses for apple cider vinegar. As promised, here are a few additional ways you can use apple cider vinegar beyond just health. 1. Natural cleaner. Mix with water to create a non-toxic, antibacterial household cleaner. 2. Hair rinse. Dilute with water and use after shampooing to balance your scalp's pH, reduce dandruff, and add shine to your hair. 3. Sore throat remedy. Gargle with warm water and apple cider vinegar to soothe a sore throat. 4. Foot soak. Use it in a foot soak to combat bacteria and fungi, helping with foot odor and athlete's foot. What's the first apple cider vinegar hack you're going to try? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips, easy recipes, and natural hacks. You won't want to miss the exciting content we have coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Got the apple cider vinegar? Now all you need to do is subscribe. Let's keep this health journey going together.